Hi, this is Mr. Emmanuel. Thanks for tuning in today. Today, I'm gonna talk about how to respond to thank you. Many English learners will respond to thank you by saying you're welcome. It is a perfect way to answer, to respond to thank you, of course. But however, I think it has become like a pattern, a phrase that to answer to thank you for English learners. It seems that most English learners do not know other ways that you can respond to thank you. And I think native speakers and more like advanced learners of English, they do have more different ways to respond to thank you. So in this video, I'd like to introduce those, okay? And in English learning, I personally recommend that we should listen to authentic text, okay, to improve our listening ability and also to improve our speaking ability. Because if you want to speak well, you have to know how to pronounce certain words. And through reading, it is kind of hard to learn the pronunciation of certain words. So if you want to learn the pronunciation, the best way is through listening to the words, okay? And I would recommend, and I would highly recommend Audible, this app. Audible, Mr. Emmanuel likes to use it very much. I listen to many audiobooks on Audible, including Warren Buffett's biography. It's called Snowball. And also, I think it's Steve Jobs' biography. Okay, I enjoy those books a lot. Okay, and it really, Audible really will help you improve your English listening ability. And also, it can help you with your pronunciation because you get to learn the pronunciation of different words. I really highly recommend Audible for all English learners. Okay, okay, let's get to our topic. Okay, so to respond to thank you, most English learners will use you're welcome. It is a perfect way to answer and thank you, but I think it's overused. It's very normal that we answer, English learners will answer to thank you using you're welcome because you're welcome is a phrase that they learn. However, in English learning and native speakers, they usually use different ways to answer thank you. Okay, so for instance, number one, okay, number one, you can answer with you're very welcome. Okay, for instance, you can say, thank you for helping me with my homework. Okay, and the person can respond you by saying, you're very welcome. Okay, you're very welcome. Okay, and the second one is no problem. Okay, no problem. For instance, you can say, thank you for helping me with my luggage. I know it's kind of heavy. Thank you so much. And the response can be, no problem, no problem. Okay, no problem is a phrase I've heard multiple times spoken by native speakers. So I think it's a very suitable way to answer, to respond to thank you. Okay, and the third one is thank you. Thank you, meaning that if someone says thank you to you, you actually think that he or she should be the one that you are thanking to, okay? For instance, someone might say, thank you for coming to my birthday party. But I would say, thank you for inviting me, okay, in the first place. I really enjoy your party, thank you. Okay, so the emphasis would be on you. Okay, thank you. Okay, next one. That next one is quite formal, but I think it's very elegant and very suitable in more formal situation, or yourself, you are more of a formal person. It's called "The pleasure is mine." The pleasure is mine. Okay, you can also say my pleasure. Okay, my pleasure. I just mean I'm happy to help. My pleasure. I'm happy to help. It's very casual and very suitable. Okay, in conversations. For instance, someone might say, thank you for bringing me this cake. And you say, my pleasure. Okay, I'm happy to do it. Okay, I'm glad you like it. Okay, my pleasure. Okay. Another phrase, number 5, the next one is suitable between friends. Okay, between friends. Okay, for instance, if someone say to your friend said to you, thank you for helping me with my homework. Okay, thank you for helping me with my homework. And you can answer, I know you would do the same for me. I know you would do the same for me. Okay, so it's mutual, right? I help you, but if same situation happened to me, I know that you will do the same for me. Okay, so it's a very friendly phrase. Okay, next one is also very casual. It's called that's all right. Okay, that's all right. It's like it's not very much of a big deal. That's all right. Okay, for instance, if someone thanking you saying, thank you for letting me see your class note. Okay, and you can answer, that's all right. That's all right. Okay. And next one, number 7, is also a very casual one. It's called no worries. No worries. Okay. For instance, if someone say, thank you for sharing your notes with me, and you can answer, no worries. Okay, it's not a big deal. No worries. Okay. Number 8 is don't mention it. Don't mention it. Okay, it's kind of a humble way to say you're welcome. It's more of a humble way. So you say don't mention it. It's kind of like it's not very much a big deal. Okay, so don't mention it. Someone might say, okay, thank you for the donut. Okay, I like it. I like your chocolate donut a lot. Okay, don't mention it. It's just a donut. Okay, just a donut. Okay. Number 9. This one is more suitable to the people who thank you. However, they are undergoing some kind of pain. Okay, some kind of loss there here. Okay, so for instance, if your friend, for instance, he just lost a loved one, and you did something. For instance, you comforted him, you talked to him, or you brought him a gift or something, and they would thank you. They might thank you, say, thank you for the gift that you brought. And you can answer, it was the least I could do. It was the least I could do. Okay. Number 10 is also very casual. This one is called anytime. Okay, anytime. Okay, for instance, if your friend thanking you for visiting him, okay, he might say, thank you for stopping by. And you can say anytime. Okay, anytime. Okay, so these 10 ways of responding to thank you are very suitable in conversation and with different people. So I hope you learned them today. And in your conversation or spoken English, you can use them expand your vocabulary and use them, practice using them to make you speak in a more fluent and natural way, okay? And don't forget, like Mr. Emmanuel mentioned, that listening to English is really important. I hope you find something you like. My only recommendation is for you to find something that you want to listen to and want to read, okay? I once heard a very wise phrase saying that the only way that can guarantee you read something every day or listen to something every day is listening or reading something that you like, something that you're interested in. If you're not interested in that thing, don't listen to it. Don't click that book, okay? I hope you find a suitable book for you. Thank you for today, and that's the video. That's it for the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and there will be more English, traveling, and philanthropy videos uploaded to this channel. Okay, please share this video with someone you think that this video would benefit them. Okay, and also you can comment below. Okay, how do you feel about the video today? Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Bye bye.